All right, we're back, everyone. We are looking at IXL AA4. We are solving one steps with our inequalities here. So, yeah, absolutely there. So Matthew, you want to say hello again?
Hello, everyone. How are you doing?
Okay. All right, there we go. Ella's over here as well, lounging on the bed.
Hello.
Right.
Love you, Mr. Pig.
Oh my goodness. All right. Yes, the Peppa Pig comments. Okay, so yeah, one step inequalities. We're looking for something to do here. And if we notice, it just says 3 times 2. Matthew, I don't think you've done your multiplication yet, but you haven't? No, all right. So I'll help you out with that. That's just going to be 6. So we're just going to type in the inequality, and that's it. That's all we can do. We're going to submit away. Yeah, that's all we got going on. Oh, Matthew, you can do this one here. All right. They want us. Yes,
Eight.
it does. So notice there's nothing that we're doing with the inequality symbols, nothing we're doing with the letters. We're just looking to solve away here. 3 times 3, yeah, that's going to be 9. So greater than or equal to, and then our 9. So all we're doing is we're writing those out. Now, oh, look what just happened here, everyone. Yes, we're going to go off to the side to write off the problem here. Yeah, what is that one? Okay, so what we want to notice here is that the numbers are not on the same side. So we're going to use our solving equation skills. So we start on the side with a letter. The opposite of adding a 4 is to subtract a 4. All right, so m is greater than or equal to 6. And that's it. That's all that we need to do. Ella, are you paying attention over there? Are you paying attention? Oh, the silent treatment. That means the no that's there. So now we'll type in our answer. M is, oops, that's a less than or equal to symbol. We got our button right there. And then our 6, and we can submit. All right. So we're going to be using those one-step equations. The difference between the problems at the very beginning that we were looking at is that now when we solve these, we don't have the numbers on the same side. We call that combining our like terms. So remember, we start on the side with the letter and we undo. So the fraction bar doesn't mean to divide. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2. Matthew, 4 times 2. 4 plus 4. Yes. Remember, everyone, multiplication is just repeat addition. So we got b greater than or equal to, whoops, and then your 8 that we're dealing with. Submit. Yeah, I'm being distracted right now. It's here. So if you want and you look at this and you remember from before, opposite of adding 2 is to subtract 2. So subtract 2 from both sides. A lot of you might mentally be able to go through and do that because the 4 minus 2 subtract 7 from both sides. So m is less than my symbol up there. And then 8 minus 7 is a 1, and we submit away. So just kind of keep those in mind. Let's level up here and let's see if they've got anything else that's really going on. Yeah, just more of the same here. Remember, we start on the side with the letter. We're going to undo, and we're going to make sure it's to both sides. So n plus 5 is greater than or equal to. All right. And then your 9. So the opposite of adding a 5 is to subtract a 5. All right. N is greater than or equal to 4. So we can type that on in. Guys, you're rather quiet over here today. What's going on? No contributions here to the audience here? Nothing? Well, I don't understand what's so funny here. What's going on there?
I'm
Submit.
distracted by my board.
You're,
What I made
oh,
for Star of the Week.
oh, it's right there for it there. Ella, anything you want to say to everyone before we leave?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. All right.
Can I say a word for this?
Can you see the work for this?
No, I mean, I want to say a word.
What word do you want to say?
Like I want to do the video.
Oh, you want to solve one more problem? Okay, so let's do this here, Ella. You can help out with this one. If you're at 10 and you take one away, what do you have left? If you have 10 and we take one away, what do you have left? We do have 9. So when we end up solving, oh, there we go. Miss Independent over here. All right, so C is greater than 9. So C greater than, whoops. Why are we singing over here? Oh my goodness. All right, Ella, we're going to give you one more here to do. All right. We want to know, you know what 7 times 2 is?
What's
No, 7 times 2 is not 8.
What's 7 plus 7?
Yeah, remember, multiplication is repeat addition here. Not 8. Nope, not 9. Keep going. Not 10. Keep going. Bigger than 11. Keep going. Bigger than 12. Keep going. Bigger than 13. 14. Yes, you got it. Sure, you can color. Well, right, and we need to type in the answer for all the kids at home just to make sure that we've got it here. All right. So we've got y is less than 14. All right. Submit away. Fantastic. Let's get our goodbyes in, everyone. Oh my. Yeah.
And we're gonna chop that.
Okay. Hey, and don't forget to use your calculator here. All right. That's fine with your decimals. Use your calculators, kids.